Right now, you can generate a 30-second cinematic video with full sound using nothing but a text prompt for free. And most people don't even know this exists yet. Today we are breaking down Seedance 2.5, ByteDance's newest AI video generation model. Exactly what it can do and every legitimate way you can actually use it without paying a cent. Let's get into it. Seedance 2.5 is the latest model in ByteDance's Seedance video generation family, first announced at ByteDance's Force conference back in June 2026. If you're not familiar with the earlier version, Seedance 2.0 was already considered one of the top-ranked AI video models available. Seedance 2.0 was known for smooth motion and strong character consistency. Seedance 2.5 takes that foundation and pushes it significantly further. And the improvements aren't small tweaks. They change what's actually possible in a single generation. The headline upgrade is duration. Seedance 2.0 could generate up to 15 seconds in a single continuous take. Seedance 2.5 doubles that to 30 seconds. And here's the important part, it's a native single pass generation, not several clips stitched together behind the scenes. That distinction actually matters a lot for quality. When a video is stitched from multiple segments, you tend to see small inconsistencies, a character's shirt changes slightly, the lighting shifts, the camera motion stutters at the seams. Because Seedance 2.5 renders the full 30 seconds as one continuous take. Characters, lighting and camera movements stay consistent from the very first frame to the last. For something like a talking head explainer or a product spot, that one render can replace what used to require a 4-clip edit. The second major upgrade is reference input. Seedance 2.0 allowed up to 12 references to guide a generation. Seedance 2.5 raises that ceiling all the way to 50, and it's multimodal, meaning you're not just limited to images. You can feed it images, video clips, audio, text, and even 3D white model blockouts, all in a single generation, to guide exactly how your scene should look, move, and sound. That level of reference control is what pushes this from a toy into something closer to an actual production tool. On top of that, Seedance 2.5 introduces frame local editing, sometimes described as redraw anything editing. This means if there's one detail wrong in your generated clip, a background element, an object, you can fix just that piece without re-rendering the entire scene. That alone saves an enormous amount of time and credits compared to older workflows. And Seedance 2.5 keeps native stereo sound built directly into generation, with resolution options that scale up to 4K. We're talking production-grade resolution from just a prompt and references. Now let's get to the part you actually came here for. How do you use this for free? The most direct path is Seedance Studio, which rolled out 2.5 in July 2026. It launched to every plan on the same day, including the free tier at no extra cost. There was no staged access or waitlist. If you already had a free Seedance Studio account, 2.5 simply appeared in your model picker. The free plan gives you a limited number of generations per month. And if you need more, paid plans start at around $14 a month. Beyond the official studio, Seedance 2.5 has been integrated into several other platforms. Dreamina, connected to CapCut, has offered limited time promotions with free generations. CapCut itself is expected to fold 2.5 into its existing features soon. If you're already using Runway, Seedance is integrated there as a third-party model. And if you're a developer, Byte Plus ModelArc is the official API channel outside China. New accounts have received free tokens for prototype testing. So here's the practical takeaway. If you just want to experiment casually, Seedance Studio's free tier is your most direct entry point. If you're in an ecosystem like CapCut or Runway, check there first. And for technical builds, Byte Plus ModelArc is the place to start. One honest note before you go. This space moves incredibly fast. Free promotions and trial terms change often, sometimes within days. Treat any specific free credit number as a snapshot in time and check the platform's current offer before you plan around it. Where this actually gets exciting is what it unlocks creatively. A 30-second single take fully voiced scene means solo creators and small businesses now have access to a production pipeline that used to require a crew, a camera, and days of editing. If this breakdown helps you stay ahead of what's usable in AI right now, do me a favor. Follow this page and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on how to master these tools. So that's Seedance 2.5. Native 30-second video, multimodal references, and free ways to start using it today. Let me know which platform you're trying first, and I'll see you in the next one.